Alright. The mini bikes come with a governor screw, and what this screw is set in place so you don't go too fast. You can adjust it for how fast you want your kids to actually go on the bike. But here this screw is, and I'm going to show you how to take it out. Well, you don't have to take it out, but you just need to back the screw out. What you're going to need is a tamper-proof Allen wrench. And go ahead and stick it on there and start unscrewing it. Because as you see,
oh my!
You see how it stops the gas from going all the way back? Once you unscrew that out, you can get a little bit more gas after throttle.
That's crazy.
Okay, that's enough. That's cool. You don't want the screw to fall out.